Today I'm going to be making Camarofongo, a popular dish in Puerto Rico. Camarofongo is just mofongo served with shrimp. Mofongo's roots actually trace back to African fufu. Fufu is made from starchy vegetables and was introduced to Puerto Rico by West and Central Africans in the 16th century. They used the African method to make fufu, but with the vegetation available in the Caribbean, which was plantains. And instead of boiling the plantains, they were fried. Mofongo soon spread to other Caribbean countries as well. In the 1960s, many Dominicans fled to Puerto Rico to escape the dictatorship of Rafael Trujillo. With more Puerto Ricans in America than on the island, mofongo has become very popular in Puerto Rican communities in the U.S. It's also popular in Dominican, Cuban, and Colombian communities. The indigenous Taino people incorporated their ingredients, and Africans brought their techniques, making this dish a great example of how cultures can be intertwined through food.